Market is crashing, so why not get ourselves some free airdrop using Algorand testnet. Today we're going over Algodex. Okay, what are we doing? We're going over this one, airdrop guide for Algodex. All the links will be in the description below. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. If you like all the crypto and airdrop stuff, subscribe. Also follow on Patreon. So to do this airdrop, it is free. It takes time to get the actual live product and coin once they are live. But to do the steps, it's like a video game. You click a few buttons, you spend your time, you get paid live money in the future once the coin is live. You need an Algorand wallet. I will link a tutorial below how to do so. If you know, I already have my Algorand wallet from our previous video. You guys don't know what I'm talking about, go check my other airdrop tutorials about everything. I've done a few steps in here and my balance about 7 algo. It doesn't matter, you don't need it for this Algorand test DEX. What are we doing? Look at this Twitter. We are pleased to announce we have raised 3.13 US dollar via seed round equity offering. The process will go towards developing the Algodex platform related product. Very important. You don't do an airdrop potential today and tomorrow money just drops on your lap. Hopefully it will drop on your lap a couple of months from now. This is a patience game. We are planting seeds. Algodex is getting seed money, good money, institution, hedge funds money. What do? You go to this website, Algodex. Let's read the guide. Algodex, as its name suggests, is an upcoming DEX on Algorand, running on an order book serum, currently on testnet only, will soon be released to mainnet. The founder of Algodex recently tweeted the native token ADLX. Okay, there will be a coin. Just patience, guys. We'll soon have its TGA, token generation event, basically the day that the coin goes live. He also hinted at the possibility of an airdrop for testnet users in Telegram group. It seems that there is a decent probability of airdrop for testnet users in the near future. Okay, we just have to do the steps, stack the deck in our favor, do like 5 airdrop potential a week, and we're good to go. Eventually it will all compound into our MetaMask. Basically that's what it says. TGE for Aldex is coming. The problem for me in the US might have an airdrop for non-US users. You know, that's the only problem. However, because I have a lot of Patreon and YouTube members worldwide, I will do this tutorial with you, even though most likely I will not get an airdrop. So to participate in the testnet, follow the steps below. Set up Algo wallet, tutorial below. As I said, connect to testnet on my Algo in the top right hand. So basically you need to change to this testnet right here. Okay, you change to this testnet, and as you can see I already done this Algorand test. And now step number 2, right here, claim some free testnet algo. So you go here, you click I'm not a robot, you put your algo address. Basically it's an algo faucet for testnet. So let's do that. So we're going here, Algorand dispenser. I'm not a robot. He wants me to say that I'm motorcycle stuff. Okay, please do not abuse it. Request just so you basically you copy your Algo wallet address. You click here, copy. Make sure you are on testnet. Copy. Go back to Algorand dispenser again. Do a paste. Click dispense. And basically status 200 success. So now you should get 10 Algorand in the in your wallet right here. There we go. I just got it right now, and if I refresh it should be 20. There we go. Now we got 20 Algorand, and now we can actually go and actually do some swap. So step 3, head to Algodex testnet, connect your wallet, just place some random order on the DEX like you would on Binance or FTX. So we're going here, okay, Algorand testnet. Do not click on mainnet. It's not live. I don't. We can't even click. Okay, but it's in progress. It's work in progress. Connect your wallet. I already connected my wallet. It asked me to connect. Okay, let's connect so that they can see that I have now 20 Algorand. Basically, it says right here, that's my wallet, that's my algo. Pretty simple stuff. And you can take some trades. Where are the trades? You scroll down. Let's search, I don't know, Bitcoin or something. Lamp. Let's buy some lamp. Click here, buy, sell. I already done a few of those. Okay, it's not that simple. I'll be honest with you, it's not that simple. But when you click, play around, buy price, buy lamp, or there's not a lot of options to do. To be honest, there's only lamp, buy, sell, algo lamp, Do 2 free trades, and basically wait a couple of months from now. Hopefully, for non-US people, you will get an airdrop. For US people, just as myself, I don't know what to tell you. I don't make the rules. I just just follow them and hope for the best. Okay, so if you like what you see, as I said, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Subscribe, and all the links will be in the description below, including support on Patreon. I'll see you next time. Yeah.